We are starting in about 17 seconds. Okay, hello guys, and how are you doing? I'm so delighted to also be here with you guys today, and this is another episode. Let me call it another episode of our winning ways at FX to the KG trade. And just to let you know part of what we're still doing, it's gonna take a little while for that is what we are kind of waiting for. Okay, I just want to no. Okay, let me just I just want to type in the URL of the website so that we can see what we have. All right. Okay, we have it. Okay, I'm just gonna delete some of the few things that need to be deleted, and then we can have our website in full. Okay. Okay. There's a lot going on, you just have to pardon me. All right, so let's quickly look at some of the things we need to look at today. GBP New Zealand has been, from what you can see, on the serious rise. Okay, on a serious rise, exactly from here. Okay, let's go back a little bit to see. Okay, that's where we had the double bottom from. right? And you can, from what you're looking at, you can also testify to the rise and also, to the fall back to the exact position where it started from. The rise actually started from, and then look at what our price has actually moved. And the beautiful thing is that henceforth, except for some reasons, we will not be missing out on all of these opportunities again. You understand? This is about 610 pips. All right, and we almost understand something, that in FX or in financial trading, that two things are always involved. In fact, in life as a whole, two things are always involved, and those two things are, it's either positive or negative, up or down, win or lose. All right, so I'm still I'm going to expatiate on that maybe in the later course, but yes, with what we have on the screen right now, it does not mean one could not really ascertain if price actually got into the point where you would say it's sure for a complete reversal. Okay, but I could still tell you, you understand, from that 2.1786, all right, which is just about here, is one good psychological point, very strong psychological point for me. I'm just gonna open here and type it in here. Oh, sorry. GBP New Zealand, I was supposed to analyze. It's the same thing though if you look at it from, all right, so okay, all right, this is actually a strong psychological level for me, and with what I have as an intraday trader, although yes, when the opportunity comes for long-term trading or swing trading, I also don't want to miss out on any opportunity. Okay, irrespective of the fact that I understand that you may win, you may lose, but yes, I think I have a solid methodology that drives me to not want to miss any opportunity in the financial trading business. Okay, now if this level tarries or remains or is not broken, then we can still be looking at it with a different eye, that maybe there's a possibility for a pullback like this, something like this, before price could continue, or it could be a complete reversal. But you can see from the what we have in the higher time frame, from the weekly and also from the daily, that we've been able to beat this very, very clearly and very well. And moving price back to 2020, this is actually 2020. I'm just gonna stop this. Okay, you will see where we have this candle in the monthly time frame was actually when we had this high tested. Okay, that's when we actually had this high. Now we're actually testing it again, okay, in the monthly time frame. So this could mean a very strong psychological phase for us, where we may be looking at possibility of, if price is going to not break and start coming back down, or break above, and then we start targeting a different high like this. All right, so don't forget, I said two things are always involved, so you just need to understand and analyze the market to get to understand what So that's for GBP, Australian dollar, sorry, GBP New Zealand though, and it's also GBP, GBP AUD too. But yeah, with a currency pair, the currency pair, from my list with the overall strength and move, I mean the currency with the overall currency strength, I'm kind of like having GBP New Zealand. And what I feel is that if you look at it from a very smaller time frame, I do intraday trading, so let's go look at it from here. We already have this high to look at, okay, and we also already have this low to look at, and also this side. So possibly price could, please remember what I said, price could fall from here, okay, but that does not mean I am going to start rushing into trading it or looking for opportunities. Yeah, so we may have a fall anywhere around here, that is if this level is not broken. Okay, so from what I have, I don't have any feel or any look into continuing to buy Great British pounds versus the New Zealand dollar until all parameters had to reset. Okay, so I think that explains that. Then I have okay, I want to add AD card, AD New Zealand. Okay, that's AD card and AD USD. Am I correct? All right. Okay. So I'm going to also look at AUD card and also look at it from a broader perspective, and also AUD USD especially, sorry, and also AUD USD. Okay, and with what I have here, one can still, the fall is still very imminent. All right, one thing I need to talk about or address in this regard is that there are always several reasons why in most cases you analyze trades. Okay, maybe for instance you've seen this low here. Okay, you've seen this low here. Let me draw it properly. Yeah, in some cases you see this low here and we start analyzing a kind of start making a reversal analysis. In this regard, in this case, sometimes what drives the market, we should not forget that the aspect or the part that fundamental analysis takes in this. And one of the things is that fundamental analysis, supports, currencies to one currency to be, definitely stronger than the other. All right. So, and in this case, the US dollar is quite, stronger than the Australian dollar. That's why you see this fall. Okay, I'm just, giving you, the basic so you can understand. I don't want to kill you with all the big English. Okay, now the move is still there, and that is one of the things that is making me not to overlook or to not ignore, this fall. That is if all parameters are set. Okay, that is if all parameters are set. All right, so how do we see that? How do we see that? Okay, now don't forget I said earlier on that we already have this low, which is from the bigger time frame and also from the further time frame. And if you look at it also from the further time frame, you definitely start see where that this actually has turned into a zone. Look at it, it's testing it out. It has tested it before. This is the second time. This is the third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh time. In fact, this should be regarded and be seen as a very strong zone. Look at it. That is the area where all of these happenings took place. This was seen as this same level here was seen as a resistance level here. Okay, price used it as a resistance level here, and you can see all that here, the same thing before it went up, and also started using it as a support. All right, so don't forget the fact that as an intraday trader, what do you do? This is a recognizable level, and also where we are now is also a recognizable level in a 1 minute time frame. So if price goes back and does not break this level, and you get a good ABC pattern here, please take your trade, all right? Because it is definitely going to the formation is definitely going to be complete. The sell is still very, very imminent. Okay, I'm not saying it's definitely going to happen. What I'm just giving is just a financial advice, though. Please don't take my word for he said it's going to. He said he knows the market. I am not. All right, so that explains it. So the same thing we also have for Australian AUD card, and also we have for GBP AUD. It's been going up all the while. The strength of the market has been pushing. I mean, the momentum of, price momentum has pushed GBP AUD up so far, so much that it's all up. Okay, I see. We may say, oh, this has finished, and you see it keep going up. Price has touched one area, and you see it keep going up. But in this regard, we should not take it for granted. Okay, we should not take it for granted. And price level at one point level at 1.9545, I guess. Yeah, that's 9545. Makes it a very, very significant role for us to kind of look at. I just want to set it so clearly so that we can see. 5. Let's do 457, right? All right, so here, so it's so very significant around here, but I'm just kind of looking for as well as is just a little pullback, and that is if the development is a bit concerned. That's if it's going to happen. I'm just kind of like looking for that to happen, and I believe it's going to. And if it does not, I will look for different parameters to set before it's okay. As you can see, over that 25, 26, 20, financial asset to trade. Let me just look at people into Bitcoin, where 66. Look at the big time frame. I think it's kind of like resetting. Look today. And also look into USD CAD. And in the bigger time frame, let's just say where we are. The band is still very strong, and it's been strong since forever. Okay. The band has been very strong since forever, and we continue to look into the forever as in buying. I mean, looking for bullish opportunities. Okay, yeah, that's what we're doing. Looking for bullish opportunities. It's that's a complete informed reversal. So many to look at actually. There is New Zealand JPY, there is AUD JPY, there is CAD JPY, there is EUR JPY, there is GBP JPY, there is USD JPY. Selling. So there is USD CAD, there is Euro New Zealand, GBP New Zealand, GBP AUD, GBP CAD. So that's just, I think that's the network being different. So if opportunity comes, I think that video should be made for. That video should be made for. That should be made for TikTok, and then show me. Yeah, it should be made for Twitter. Until the next video, I think we were able to do a little today. And the big thing is that is more like what we will be getting, that's more like what we'll be getting, at the FX Trader KG.trade platform. Okay, yeah, that's more like what we'll be getting at the FX Trader KG the trade platform. This is more like the website for now until the total completion. And what you're going to get here in the live trading area is where you can take your time to read through it though, but what you're going to get here is you're going to be trading live with experts who have spent all their years actively trading. Okay, like I for one, in a few years I'll be 20 years in the market, and as lazy as you see the analysis coming is just as lazy as I've been putting in the effort and also the work, and and I've trained thousands of FX traders from different walks of life. So here you're just going to be doing any opportunity we catch, we put it in. There's going to be a member area where after you create an account with us, all of this is going to be changed. Though you create an account with us, you verify, and upon verification, it takes you to it takes you to the member area where you're going to choose from any of our exclusive FX brokerage firms, the ones we are actively friends with, the ones that have active records in the market. Okay, so you register with them. Once you register with them, you come back to the dashboard, so to the member area, and then let us verify you from there. Then you can have an in-house live screen trading platform where you can also anytime you come in, you can just take one or two, and you can also see our past trade orders and also analysis there. And see, what I've learned in all of these years is that it does not have to be difficult. Okay, financial trading does not have to be difficult. It does not have to be difficult. All the big names you see, all the big specialty names, you see there, it's just to confuse. Everybody's just coming up with their own. You get to learn a lot though. Honestly, I tell you, you get to learn a lot. Why you are, you learn one or two, as in why you're doing live trading with us. So if you want now, you can be quick about it, and just maybe we should just I was thinking maybe we should just change this link for now and just create a Telegram account where you just you could just join us so that we can have a list of you, the very first people to sign up when we I think we should do that. We just create a Telegram account and just put it here. Okay, so just join the Telegram account and that's it. Okay, so here also the education is where you can also expand your knowledge. Okay, that's where you can also expand your knowledge. Take your time for now, just read through this and take the course, one-on-one training where you can join. It's not active for now. And also the group training, that's if you're about 10 and above. All right, so organizations and stuff like that. So this is what it's gonna take. I'm just giving you this hint so you can understand that this is it. And also when contacting us, this is a live chat, this is an email, this is a message, and this is all we have. So what I'm still doing now is I'm still dropping every live stream videos that we make, like the one we're currently doing now. The link is definitely gonna come here so that anybody who still want to access the website can do. But once the website is up and running, you will only have this in the member area. All right, so I think that's that about that. Like I said, I'm going to change this link for now. Okay, what are you waiting for? It's going to be a Telegram link. I think I should make an exclusive video for it on the TikTok channel and also maybe on Twitter, so we can have a list, a few of you to start with. All right, thank you, and until then, bye.